Hi, this is Rich Lavens of Watlow, and we're working today with the Watlow F4T, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a firmware upgrade. It's actually very simple to do. So I have got in my hands a little USB jump drive, and on the back of the unit, there are a couple ports down here. I'm just going to plug into the outer one here. So I'm now plugged in. I'm going to hit my home screen. I'm going to hit my menu button, and I'm going to go to Settings. If I scroll down just a little bit, there is an update icon, and I'm simply going to touch the Update Install. And it'll take a few minutes. It'll go through and pull the file off that card. I'll show you what the file looks like at the end of the video. But this is going to take a few minutes, and at the end it'll kind of do a reboot, and the firmware will be upgraded. Okay, now you can see that the step 3 of 3 is complete. The update's complete. Please remove our flash drive. So I'm going to pull that out. There we go. And the unit will do a quick reboot. Okay, you can see the unit powering back up here. I may end up with a couple of errors in that I don't have sensors hooked up to this yet, so we're probably going to get some process alarms. So yeah, no big deal. And you can see I'll probably come up with a couple errors here. Anyway, that's the upgrade procedure. Let's pop over the computer real quick. I'll show you what that file type looks like, and then we will wrap this up. All right, so I've got my jump drive in my computer, and I've got this file here. And you can see I'm down on my jump drive. So we're going to double click here. And in here, you'll see an F4T update, and then there's a text file. So the text file is going to look like this. No big deal in the text file. If I back up, I'm going to come back up to the folder. So I've got to remove the firmware part of that from this. If you stick it in just with the file here, it's not going to open. So we're going to come up here. I am going to click on the update, and I'm going to do a copy paste. So we're going to copy that. I'm going to go back up to the front. I'm going to paste it. So there's my update file. And then here, usually what I do just to be safe is I'm just going to delete that or drag it over. So we're going to cut it. I'll paste it over on my desktop so I have the file there somewhere. But you guys know how to do copy paste, so don't need to listen to me on that. So there, I have deleted it. Now that file exists. Now if I take that and put it in the back of my F4T, it will concentrate on just the update, and it'll install like we did prior here. So that's really about it. Hope you find this video helpful, but please reach out to us and let us know. Thank you. Bye.